Hello fellow adventurers. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey through the heart of London. Welcome to our channel, your ultimate guide to the best places and experiences this incredible city has to offer. Buckle up, as we're about to uncover the magic of London together. London's history is an intricate tapestry, and our first stop is the iconic Tower of London. Constructed nearly 1,000 years ago, this fortress has witnessed an incredible array of events. As you explore its medieval corridors, the ghostly echoes of past monarchs, political intrigues, and historic battles transport you to a bygone era. The crown jewels, on display within the tower, glitter with the weight of centuries of regal history, offering a glimpse into the opulence of the past. Prepare to be enchanted by the regal charm of Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch. The changing of the guard ceremony is a timeless spectacle that unfolds with military precision, a display of British pageantry that captivates visitors from around the world. Stroll through the beautifully landscaped St. James's Park, an oasis of tranquility nestled between Buckingham Palace and the Horse Guards Parade, providing a serene escape in the heart of the bustling city. London's cultural tapestry is woven with threads from every corner of the world, and our exploration takes us to the British Museum. This colossal institution houses a vast collection of artifacts, each telling a unique story of human history. From the Rosetta Stone to the Elgin marbles, the museum is a treasure trove that invites you to step back in time and witness the marvels of civilizations long past. For enthusiasts of contemporary art, the Tate Modern, housed in a former power station, showcases cutting-edge works that push the boundaries of artistic expression. Embark on a culinary adventure through the diverse flavors of London. Begin your journey at a traditional pub, where the ambience is as comforting as the hearty dishes. Savor classic British fare, such as a piping hot plate of fish and chips, and immerse yourself in the local atmosphere. Venture into the eclectic streets of Soho, a melting pot of international cuisines where culinary delights from around the world await. From authentic Indian curries to Japanese ramen, Soho's vibrant food scene promises a gastronomic adventure for the discerning palate. London's charm extends far beyond the usual tourist hotspots, and we dive into the heart of its vibrant neighborhoods. Camden Town, known for its alternative scene, is a visual feast of street art, eclectic markets, and a bohemian spirit that permeates the air. Explore the bustling markets and discover unique treasures that reflect the creativity of this unique neighborhood. Notting Hill, famous for its colorful houses and the lively Portobello Road Market, invites you to wander through its charming streets, each corner telling a story of its own. Experience the enchantment of London's skyline from the gentle sway of a Thames River cruise. Glide under the iconic Tower Bridge, an architectural masterpiece, and witness the city's landmarks illuminated by the golden hues of the setting sun. The London Eye, standing tall on the South Bank, offers panoramic views, creating a magical journey along the historic river that flows through the heart of the city. This leisurely cruise allows you to appreciate London's beauty from a unique perspective, with iconic landmarks unfolding before your eyes. Escape the urban hustle and find solace in London's green havens. Hyde Park, one of the city's largest royal parks, invites you to unwind amidst its expansive greenery. Rent a paddleboat on the serene Serpentine and enjoy a leisurely ride on the picturesque lake. Wander through the beautifully landscaped Kensington Gardens, discovering hidden corners where nature and city life harmoniously coexist. These green retreats offer a breath of fresh air in the midst of the bustling metropolis, providing a serene haven for relaxation and reflection. London is a city of surprises, and hidden gems await those willing to venture off the beaten path. Explore secret gardens tucked away in quiet corners, such as the delightful Kyoto Garden in Holland Park. Stumble upon charming bookshops with rich histories, like Donk Books in Marylebone. Discover lesser-known historical sites, such as the Seven Dials area, where cobblestone streets and hidden boutiques transport you to a charming world of yesteryear. Uncover these hidden treasures that add a touch of magic to your London adventure, offering a unique perspective beyond the well-trodden tourist trail. As our immersive tour of London comes to an end, I hope you've been inspired to explore the nooks and crannies of this incredible city. If this guide has ignited your wanderlust, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel inspiration, and hit that bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, happy exploring and safe travels.